Hello everyone. This is last chapter of our subject Internet Programming. Last chapter name is databases. Okay, here we are using PHP PostgreSQL data. And for that we will learn the different functions of this database. So what is actually the database? What is meant by database? Why we are using this database? Database is an organized collection of the data. Okay, it is a collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. And we are using the different tables to store the data. Okay, and in that table there are the different rows and different columns. Okay, and we are storing the data at the particular location. Okay, inside the table. Okay, and you can access the any row or the any column by using the different queries. We know this about this database and the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Okay. Now we will see one by one the functions. Okay. Here using PHP to access database. Which functions are used for this accessing the database? Actually, there are main two ways. Use a database specific extension set of the functions. This is your first one way. And second is use the database independent PLDB library. Okay. Second way is use the database independent PLDB library, not using the function. Here we are not using the function, and first one is using the function. The PLDB means what? See here PHP extension and application repository means the your peer. DB is for the database. Is a framework and distribution system for reusable PHP classes, libraries, and for the modules. One of its most popular packages PLDB. Okay, we are using the popular packages PLDB. Okay, PLDB, the database abstraction layer created by this project. Okay, the PLDB on the other hand does not use the database specific extension. It is not using the database specific extension. Okay, the PLDB library is the set of functions are generalized. Okay, in PLDB library, the set of functions are generalized. And next point is the PLDB is a portable. See, the PLDB is a portable. Okay, database provides the portability. Okay, so PLDB is a portable and easy to use compared to the database specific extension. It is a easy to use. You can write PHP program using the PLDB or without the PLDB to access the database. Here is the database specific extensions are there. Okay, PostgreSQL database is an open source product and features many of the object relation concepts. Okay, we are using the different concepts here. PostgreSQL is a database server and can be worked with the PHP. We know that the way how to create the tables, how to create the database in PostgreSQL. Okay, now we are using these tables and all the queries with our PHP. By using the PHP, you can access this data. Okay, this is database specific extension. And here is the steps taken by PHP to open a database and execute the different queries. So first is create a connection to PostgreSQL. First, create a connection to the PostgreSQL. Then create a database, create a table, execute the query, and close the connection. This is a normal way. We are using these steps to execute the query. Opening a database. Okay, here is a function for opening a database connection. How to open a database connection? Here we are using the resource pg connect. We are using the resource pg connect string $connection string. See, here we are using the $connection string. Then int connect type. Okay, this is the syntax for connecting to the database. Resource means your special data type. This opens the connection to PostgreSQL database specified by the connection string. Okay, and here if PGSQL connect underscore post underscore new is passed as a connection type, see, this second parameter is your optional parameter. If this is passed as a connection type, then a new connection is created in case of a second call to the PG connect. Okay. See, when you are passing this second parameter, optional parameter, then a new connection is created in case of a second call to PG connect function. Even if the connection string is identical to an existing connection. Okay, this is your connection string and this is your next is your optional parameter. If you are passing the optional parameter, then there will be a new connection is created for this. Okay? This is a syntax of opening a database connection. Next, example for opening database connection here. The host is this is the host, then port number, then database name, then credential. Okay, here we are using the credentials as user equals to Postgres and the password equals to this. Here set password. Then here use the query pg connect host port database name and this is your credentials. Okay, so store it in the DB. Store it in the DB variable. If not DB, then echo error unable to open database. If not present, if there is some error, then this is the error. Else open database successfully. Else the print open database successfully. Next is about the closing a database connection. How to close a database connection? See here. Here is a function for how to open, how to connect. Okay. Now here is a function how to close a connection. Okay. Boolean pg close. Here we are using the resource $connection. We are using the optional parameter resource $connection. This routine closes the non-persistent connection to PostgreSQL database associated with the given connection resources. Okay, this routine closes the non-persistent connection. Okay, so syntax is a pg close and in bracket write the pg connection. Next is after opening a database and after closing a database, we will see the creating database. How to create a database? Which function is used for this? Okay, so pgQuery function we will use here. pgQuery function to execute a query on the specified database connection. And syntax for this is a resource pgQuery. Here is a resource connection in string $. This first parameter is your optional and second is a compulsory. It will execute the query on the specified database connection. What it will execute? To execute the query on the specified database connection. And the first parameter is optional. When the connection is not present, the default connection is used. And the second parameter is the SQL query to be executed. We will write the query here. Okay, this is the SQL query to be executed. Next function is pg fetch row. Okay, fetch row means what? Access a row. Okay, see name telling you the pg fetch row. Okay, in a case of a select query, the pg query function returns result set. What it will return? It will return the result set. To fetches one row of a data from the result set, the pg fetch row function is used to fetch one row of a data. Okay, one row of data from the result set. Means here we are accessing the information from the result set, and for that we are using the function pg fetch row function. Okay, here get a row as an enumerated array. This routine fetches one row of data from the result associated with the specified result resources. Okay, and in this we are using the two parameter result and the row. Result is your first parameter, this is optional in the first parameter, and the row is your optional parameter. PostgreSQL query result resource written by the pg query parameter or pg execute. Okay, and the row number in result to fetch. Which row you want? You can give it here. Rows are numbered from 0 upward. If omitted or null, the next row is fetched. Okay, here we have to write the row number. Paint row and optional, and you can start it from the 0. Next is example for this. Example for this pg fetch row. Okay, example for pg fetch row. So here we are trying to fetch one row. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायची एक रो डिस्प्ले करायची असेल रिझल्ट सेट मध्ये तर कशी करणार लेट्स सी $connection equals to pg connect. Okay, pg connect is here is your database name. database name is equals to publisher. You can give any database name, but use the same name which you have used earlier to create a database. Okay, so write the name here. Then if not, $connection. If not, if the connection is not, then write echo an error occurred and exit from it. $result equals to PG query. Okay, here we are using this PG query. Then $connection. Okay, here we are using the connection. Okay, and then after this, here is a select another email from author. Okay, here you are using the your statement. Okay, here is a $connection, and if this and then select the author email from the author. See, store it in the result. If not result, then print the error and error occurs and exit. Why? Dollar row equals to pg page row. Okay, here while dollar row equals to pg page row and inside the bracket result. Okay, and here we are accessing the result set. We are accessing the row from the result set. Where is your result? Result is stored inside this. So what is inside the result? The select author email from author. This whole data is inside the result. So we are selecting the row from this result set. So you will give the author equals to the row of 0, email row of 1, and the end of your program. In this way, you can use the PG page row on a database. You can use this PG page row. In that also, we are using the PGP connect, PG query. So, in a single example, you can cover the multiple functions for performing the action in a database. In the next part, we will learn the PG page array. Okay, this is your PG page array. Let's see now in this part only. PG page array. Actually, this PG page array is similar to the PG page row. Okay, see, it is a similar like this, but there is some difference. Okay, it is not significantly slower than using PG page row. Okay, and it's significantly easier to use. It page row as an array. What is the use of this? It is a page row as an array. PG page array resource result in row in result type equals to PGSQL both. Okay. See in this in PG page array. See in this PG page array function. In this function there are the different parameters result row result type. Okay, so write the PostgreSQL query result resources. Here you can write the result resources. Then row number in a result to page which row number you want. Row are the number from the 0 upwards like previous example. Result type. Okay, here write the result type. An optional parameter that controls how the return array is indexed. Okay, and in that result type is a constant and can take the following values. Which values? PGSQL associative, PGSQL num, PGSQL both. Okay, when PGSQL num, PG page array will return an array with a numerical index. See, when there is a num, then it will return the array with a numerical index. When there is a PGSQL underscore associative, it will return only associative indices. While PGSQL both, the default will return both the numerical and the associative indices. It will return the both. Okay, in here in the syntax you have written the PGSQL both, so it will return the both. PG fetch array is an extended version of a PG row. Okay, PG fetch row. It is an extended version of PG fetch row. In addition to storing the data in the numeric indices, field numbers to the result array, it can also store the data using associative indices. See, here we can here we are storing the data by using the field number also and the field name also. It store the both indices by default. And here is one example for this PG fetch array. Same example we are using here first PG connect. Use this PG p connect. Then PG query, write your query here. Here is your result set. So use this result set. Here PG fetch array. Use this function. Do the result from 0 PGSQL num means numerical array. Okay, $array display the content here. The row parameter is optional. Null can be passed Instead, to pass a result type, successive call to pgFetch array will return the next row. $array equals to pgFetch array. Here is $result null pgsql associated. Okay, and here echo $array author. Here author $array email. Then $array equals to pgFetch array result. So the result pgFetch array. We are using the function pgFetch array here. $array equals to the author. $array of 1 equals to email. Okay, in this way you can use the function pgFetchArray and try to execute this type of a program on online compiler or the available compiler. So you will get the clear idea about